This is part 2 of the intercession made at Smith Wigglesworth's grave. Yandora kasia andaria kahandai, tiero komai rakasia, tandiada shanabaronia rakayandai, keo mai rokaya kasia shanabaronia rakahandai. Thus saith the Lord, I will be exalted, I will be glorified, I have spoken, and I shall fulfill that which was revealed by the Holy Ghost for my glory, and for my glory alone. I shall walk on my own scale, and you will be amazed at what I do, because I said to call unto me, and I will answer thee, and show thee great and mighty things, which thou knowest not. I, the Lord, have spoken, it shall be so.